Welcome to Tech Brothers Amir. In this video, we are going to learn about a dropna function in PySpark. The dropna function in PySpark is used to remove rows with null or missing values. It returns a new data frame after filtering out rows that contain null values. Now, here is my sample data, and you can see right there, I have this none, that means null value in PySpark, and that's for our salary. And here is I have none for this record, and that's for our department, and this none is for the our name, and then we have another none here that is for the salary as well. So we have 4 records that has none or null values, and here is another one that has everything null. So I have added this just for testing purpose as well, so you can see. Now we are creating a data frame called df by using create data frame function. We provide our above data, and then we are providing the header names for those columns, so ID, name, department, and salary. Now we will create this data frame, and then by using the show function we'll see all the data. Let's take a look here, and now we will go from there. So here I'm running the selected text or code, and we can see the output of a data frame. Here is ID, name, department, and salary, and here's we have a null value here, and then we have another null value here, and then we have a null values. My eyesight is weak, so we have null value here. So we have a few nulls here and here and there, so we can see right there. Okay, so first option, when you are removing the null values with any null value. So let's say any of the column has null value, you want to remove that column, the entire row, that's where you can use it. So here I'm creating a df dropna any, then I'm applying a dropna function on my data frame that we just created on top. So if any of the column have the null value, let's say department here has null value for this record, so this record will be removed, and this record will be removed because here the name has a null, and this will be removed anyways because there are a lot of nulls, pretty much every column has it, and this column will be removed as well because one of the value for column salary is null for this row. Okay, so these rows will be removed as one of the column values is null. Okay, now we execute this, and that's let me execute, select and then we execute, and we'll take a look on the results. So here you see that all those records that I was mentioning, that each at least one value was null, those rows are removed. Now if you want to take a look, remove if all columns are null, that can be done as well. So there is only one record in that case we have. So if you remember that there is one record we don't have so many, but only one that has all the values null here. If I want to remove, maybe in your data you have a lot of them, but those can be removed with very simple dropna function. So here you are creating a new data frame, and you say on the existing data frame that we have here dot dropna, so apply this dropna function and say how is equal to all, and then execute this one. So what's going to happen now, all those rows will be removed where every column has the null values. So remember that we had only one, so that is removed. Now in case when you want to remove depending on the rows based on specific column, so let's say if you want to remove the rows where name or salary is null, that you can do it. So you will say drop, this is a new data frame we are creating depending upon the from the df, that's our first data frame we created, we say drop na, and here we say subset. In the subset we can list those columns. So here I'm saying if you have a salary or name, either one of them is null, then remove that row. So if I will execute this now, and you will see the results. So right here, see, we are saying name or salary. So look for the name. So here's the name, this column has null, this is null, so these 2 records will be removed, and then we have salary. So here is salary, this row will be removed, and this row will be removed. So total 4 records will be removed because either the salary is null, so here is one, here is another one, and here is another one because it is totally null anyways, the name as well. So we are going to be name or salary. Either one of them has null value, then that row will be removed. So let's go ahead and execute this line of code or lines of code, and then here you can see that all those rows are gone where either name had a null value or salary had a null value. So you can apply a drop NA and with the different scenarios, whatever suits you to clean the data in your data frame. And I hope this will help you to learn a new trick in this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.